I greet you, my brothers and sisters. I come before you with heavy heart about the death of our brother, Dr. Ochora Samuel, who was killed in cold blood. I recall government promised to take action onto the suspected killers. And as I speak now, the suspected killers are still at large. We thought by now the RDC of Amoro, who is the prime suspect in the killing, would be in. The DPC, the Deputy Gisu. But all of them, they are continuing with their duties normally. This is an indication that government knows about the death of Dr. Ochora, who was killed in cold blood and who refused to receive the bribe from the Balaalo. My dear brothers and sisters from Acholi, we are giving government honor this week. Failure by government to arrest the 3 people, to remove them from their offices. Next week, the 12th on Monday, I call upon all of you, the Acholi, wherever you are. Let us come on the street to show our grievances. On that day, next week, Monday, all of us shall put on black. We shall march on the street. I call upon the security personnel never to interfere with our demonstration. We shall start from Gulu City, where Dr. Ochora was buried, and we shall move to Amoro. I appeal to you, the friends, the relatives, the brothers, those who care, please, the Acholi community, wherever you are, when government fail to arrest these people, it's an indication that they are aware of what happened. And you recall when the RDC of Amoro made the statement that nothing will happen on him because the big people in government are behind him. He stated clearly that the NRM will never do anything on him. He can kill, he can do anything, they can arrest. He has a lot of power because the army officers are in for him. But sincerely, the Acholi community, we cannot leave the death of our brother to go in such a simple way. We cannot leave it to go in such a simple way. On Monday, the 12th, I call upon the youth, wherever you are, let us come on the street in Gulu. Put on your black clothes. Let's wear black to show solidarity with the family of Dr. Ochora Samuel, who was killed in cold blood. Thank you so much. I wish everybody well. Failure by government to act within this week, by next week, I call upon Acholi to act. God bless.